latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Reliance Industries Limited is reportedly engaging in early discussions with ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, to buy the short video sharing platform's Indian wing. The talks are reportedly in the primary stage of asserting the possibility of investing in TikTok. Earlier in the month of July, the Indian government had banned 59 Chinese applications from operating in India due to concerns with privacy. The latest development has come as the US tech giant Microsoft is in talks to buy a majority controlling stake in the short video sharing platform's American wing. Recently, TikTok's chief executive officer Kevin Mayer had reportedly approached senior executives from the Reliance Industries Limited to assert the latter's interest in buying the short video platform. Several media reports claim that both the sides are in touch directly. Reliance and ByteDance reportedly began conversations late last month and are yet to reach a deal. However, both ByteDance and Reliance have not responded to the reports. The preliminary talks between the two companies have come as ByteDance struggles to retain some key employees in India. Media reports have claimed that several high-profile employees of ByteDance have left the company. However, ByteDance has assured that it is in conversation with the Indian government to resolve the concerns regarding the application. TikTok CEO Kevin Mayer has assured that the employees will be taken care of. We have also assured more than 2,000 strong workforce that we will do everything in our power to restore the positive experiences and opportunities that they can be proud of. Just a few days ago, Mukesh Ambani, the head of Reliance Industries Limited, surpassed Bernard Arnault of Louis Vuitton as the fourth richest man in the world. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries now ranks 96 in the Fortune Global 500 list. The speculations of Reliance Industries planning to purchase TikTok has come as the US tech giant Microsoft is in talks to buy the short video sharing platform's American wing. US President Donald Trump had issued a new ultimatum to the Chinese short video sharing platform TikTok. President Trump had given 6 weeks to the parent company of TikTok, ByteDance, to sell the US arm of TikTok. Trump also warned that TikTok would be out of business if it fails to sell the company by 15 September. It's got to be an American company. It's got to be owned here. We don't want to have any problem with security. I set a date of around 15 September at which point it's going to be out of business in the United States. President Trump said that Microsoft was in talks with ByteDance to buy the US arm, which was also confirmed by the US tech giant. Trump also added that whatever the price is, the US Treasury should get a big chunk of the deal. TikTok is a big success, but a big portion of it is in the country. I think it's very fair. A very substantial portion of that price is going to have to come into the Treasury of the United States because you're making it possible for this deal to happen. They don't have any rights unless we give it to them. The president is also in favor of the deal only if it's a complete 100% purchase and not 30% as previously reported. Adding to the mix, social media giant Twitter has also shown interest in the short video sharing platform.